Xbox Series S HDMI port. Mangled. Let's get it apart. Looking tasty. What is that? Dust carpet. Nice. This thing's nasty inside. What is this? Lovely. Is it better now? Let's take this all apart now. Get that cleaned up while we're at it as well. Okay, found the clean up, looking better. Right, that's the old port off. Let's get this new one fitted. Here we go. Clean. All the back. Thermal compound on. Heatsink's all clean now and strapped to the board. There we go. Getting damn sight cleaner inside now. Screws back in. Let's go get the lid on and we're on. And we are working. There you go, another successful repair.